Inflate a 260 balloon just a little bit. Inflate a 5-inch round balloon to about the size of a fist. Tie the knots as close to the nozzle as possible. Make an apple twist as shown in the video. Make the same twist on the other end. Make a double ear twist. Make a loop about 4 fingers wide and wrap it around the double ear twist. Make the same loop again.